What's up? No worries. That's sick. Do you understand casual English? Today we learn the slang that native speakers really use. Let's go. Welcome back to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. You learn grammar in class. But in real life, people speak differently. Slang is informal language. It changes quickly. Let's learn the most useful casual phrases. Section 1. Everyday casual phrases. What's up? A casual way to say, how are you? Answer, not much, or all good. How's it going? Similar to what's up. Cheers, British slang for thank you or goodbye. No worries. Don't worry, it's fine. No problem, similar to no worries. Sounds good. I agree or I like that plan. Fair enough. I understand your point. Totally. I completely agree. Absolutely. Strong agreement. These 10 phrases come up in conversations every single day. Section 2. Positive slang expressions. That's sick. British and American slang for amazing. That's awesome. Fantastic. Very impressive. That's wicked. British slang means very good. It's a vibe. The atmosphere or mood is great. Low-key amazing. Surprisingly good. That slaps. Very popular music or food. I'm obsessed. I love it so much. It's a banger, an amazing song. Warning, slang changes fast. Some of these may sound dated in a few years, but right now, young English speakers use them constantly. Section 3. Casual negative and neutral expressions. It's a bit much, too extreme or too expensive. It's not my cup of tea. I don't like it. I can't be bothered. I don't feel like doing it. It's dodgy, British slang for suspicious or poor quality. That's rubbish, British for that's terrible. I'm gutted. I'm very disappointed. I'm knackered. I'm very tired. These are all very natural in British English conversation. Recap. Every day. What's up? No worries. Sounds good. Fair enough. Positive. That's sick. Awesome. It's a banger. Negative. I'm gutted. I'm knackered. That's rubbish. Your challenge. Use one slang phrase in the comments today. Tell me which one and how you used it. If this lesson helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.